To dream is to imagine. To create is to bring imagination to life. To innovate is to change the course of history. This is Nu Skin, a company that represents a global opportunity by bringing together cutting-edge products, an unparalleled business model, and passionate sales leaders who are committed to creating history and improving lives. The Nu Skin Innovation Center creates an environment that fosters continued growth and propels the company into the future.
This building is a significant investment, and it demonstrates Nu Skin's status as a leader in anti-aging research and development. It also demonstrates our commitment to providing a continual stream of innovative products and business opportunities.
The Nu Skin campus is more than 300,000 square feet and sits on 10 acres of land. Its captivating architecture includes 2.5 acres of green space, a large welcome atrium, a state-of-the-art data center, and an environmentally friendly design. The heart of the Innovation Center is the Nu Skin Center for Anti-Aging Research, where scientists conduct more than 70,000 testing procedures each year.
Our anti-aging science is as strong today as it has ever been. And with our new research and development labs, we are poised to continue providing innovative products that separate us from our competition more and more each day. Our powerful research and development engine is here to create special value for our sales leaders and customers. And I think it's safe to say that the best is yet to come.
The Nu Skin Innovation Center represents Nu Skin's vision for the future. It symbolizes the dreams of all those who seek to improve their lives and the lives of others.
The Nu Skin Innovation Center was built with the continued success of its leaders in mind. In addition to the state-of-the-art science labs, the building includes success and recognition areas, interactive displays for Salesforce tours, and spacious meeting areas. Each of our sales leaders has dreams, and Nu Skin is committed to always providing the opportunities, products, tools, and resources to help make those dreams a reality.
The Nu Skin Innovation Center is a testament to the power of innovation. Nu Skin maintains a commitment to excellence as it continues its course toward becoming the world's largest direct selling company. This is where dreams become reality. Welcome to your future.